Hi there everyone, it's been ages since we had a Cooking with Mrs Whalley video, so time for a new one, and we're going to make some lovely summer treats. So grab an apron and let's get ready to make something delicious. First up, we are going to try some banana popsicles. So let's get going with some really simple iced banana lollies. I've chosen some bananas that are really quite ripe because these will be sweeter in flavour. And I'm just going to peel them carefully so I don't bruise them. That one's got a bit of a bruise. I think that'll be okay. Let's see what happens. When I've peeled it, I'm going to cut each banana into 2 pieces, and each one of those will be a lolly. So the banana is what would normally be the ice cream, and so it's really good for you. It's got lots of fibre, it's got other things that your body needs, like elements like potassium, and also of course it has that lovely soft texture and banana flavour. Totally natural. That one's a non-bendy banana, never mind. So 2 of these bananas will have a lolly stick in them. So I'll just stick it right in there, like so. And again. Because I've only got 2 lolly sticks, 2 of them will have a chopstick. We'll see how that works. And because I only have 2 chopsticks, 2 of them we're just going to do choc ice style with no stick at all. And I've just very simply put them on a small baking tray, and I'm going to stick them in the freezer. And they need to be in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. I'll probably leave these for a good half hour. Once your bananas have been in the freezer for a while, it's time to prepare your toppings ready to coat them. So I'm going to try out 3 different types of chocolate. We have got white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and I'm going to put some boiling water in a minute in this bowl, and then I can just sit each plate on top until the chocolate melts. And then we need some toppings. So I have gone for some crunchy nut cornflakes, some crushed up flakes, and some rather cute sprinkles, dinosaur sprinkles. And finally, I've got a honeycomb crunchy bar, which I need to bash up. So I'm going to wrap it in a tea towel and basically bash the living daylights out of it. And once that's done, I can open the wrapper and tip it into one of my little toppings bowls. There we go, so we can have honeycomb. Okay, now it's time to melt the chocolate. So freshly boiled water goes into the bowl. Just pop the plate on top and give it a minute or 2. After a couple of minutes, with a teaspoon, you can see that the chocolate is pretty much melted. And as soon as the last lumps have gone, we can start rolling our first frozen banana, which I've just got out the freezer, in the chocolate. Just make sure there's no lumps at all. I am going to do one of my lollipop stick ones. So all I'm doing is sprinkling a few onto my popsicle. And there we have my first banana popsicle ready. So now I'm going to try one of these on a chopstick, and I'm going to coat it in flake pieces. Okay, there's number 2. There we go, that's nice and smooth and melted. So now time to try another of the popsicle ones. I'm going to dip this one really quickly. I'm going to try and get some honeycomb onto it. Oh, that was more successful, wasn't it? Okay, let it solidify a little bit. That's good, it's all stuck on. Now that they're all completed, they don't look the most beautiful things in the world, but hey, they're going to be delicious. I'm going to pop them in the fridge, not the freezer, because I don't want them to be absolutely frozen solid. Best eaten on the day they're made, and don't forget to lick your fingers.